Dora. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Color Me Sunshine, and if you haven't been here before, welcome. Remember to go down below and subscribe. If you've been watching my other videos, you'll notice that my background is kind of different. I added my little squishies that I did in my squishy makeover. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. Today I'm actually going to do something I haven't done before. I'm going to turn some popular squishies into little clay figures. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, so I already conditioned all my clay and I'm laying out all the colors and starting the first squishy. I purchased this clay roller I was really excited to try until it was stuck to the paper. So guys, don't roll your clay on paper. Ugh. Here I'm using a paintbrush to give this some texture. The eyes and nose for this face were so small. It was such a struggle. I know what you're thinking.
Oh my gosh, why are you painting that? It hasn't been cooked yet.
Don't worry, I already did. I baked it and I'm just putting some acrylic paint on it. So have you made your guess? Which popular squishy is this? Bear Bread. Alright, this is the next one. Near and dear to many fans' hearts once they realize what it is. For this part, I think I needed to use some of that Sculpey glue that they make for clay because that top piece was really flimsy. So any guesses? Which squishy is this? It's Pickle the Dinosaur from Mariah Elizabeth's channel. And to the next squishy. This one went a lot faster just because it's more simple. Using a lot of white clay, I realized though. Probably gonna have to buy some more of that. So guys, which squishy is this? It's the Kawaii Panda Bun. And I'm starting with more white clay.
Go figure.
You might be able to tell what this is already by the shape and the colors.
And yes, those are sprinkles.
It's the amazing rainbow cake. And this is going to be the last squishy that I'm creating here. The shape of this already kind of gives it away. Do you know what it is? I got some good practice making tiny
Tiny
black eyeballs. It's the infamous narwhal. Like I said before, I have not used polymer clay before. I had a lot of fun doing it. In the future, when I do this again, I'm totally going to make everything a little bit bigger because making them so tiny, it's very hard. It's very precise, and props to those artists out there that do this for a living for sure, because getting your fingers in there and trying to smooth everything out is insane. But I think out of the ones that I did today, even though I am always a fan of colorful desserts, I will say that Pickle the Dinosaur is my favorite because he's so brightly colored. And I also love Mariah Elizabeth's channel where she created Pickle the Dinosaur as a squishy. Go check that out if you haven't already seen it. And if you enjoyed watching me create these little guys, go ahead and give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And I'll see you next week.